Hello there everyone, this is Lilith and welcome back to another one of my videos for Altenew. Today I'll be using the watercolor brush refills that have just been released, and these are perfect to refill your watercolor brush markers. I have picked out a couple of green colors. I've got Mountain Mist, Emerald and Sweet Leaf, and I've also got some blues, Lagoon and Dusk. I'm just going to pop them out of their cute little boxes, which makes storage really easy, and as you can see they come in these really handy little bottles, and you can use these just to fill your watercolor brush markers. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bit of water using a little spray bottle and just spray that onto some watercolor paper. I've popped this into a cardboard box just to make sure that I don't get any ink onto my work surface. And then I'm going to add some of those colors and add water as I work and just use a kind of dripping effect. And once I'm happy with how the colors look, I'm just going to leave that to dry, and then I can start creating my layout. So now that my background has dried completely, I'm going to start putting together my layout. I've got this black and white photo. I wanted to keep the photo really simple and just black and white because there's a lot of contrast going on, and I didn't want to clash with any of the colors. And now I'm just playing around with some of the Botanical Rhapsody washi tape, and I'm just going to add this to add a little bit of detail and also add a couple of layers to my layout. So I'm just going to pop this washi tape onto some smooth white cardstock and then just using some scissors cut out the shapes, which I will use later on. The flower that you can see on the layout is one that I had in my little project bowl. So my project bowl, I've got project bowls, are bowls where I put in bits and bobs that I have created in the past but I haven't used on any card or any layout, and I just pop them in there, and then I just go through those little bowls once in a while, and sometimes those elements come in handy, just like here, because the flower had the right colors and I could just pop it onto my layout. To make the photo stand out just a little bit more, and also to break up that really bold color in the background, I took a piece of 6x6 pattern paper from the black and white pattern paper pack and just tore off a piece, and then I popped a little piece of that on the top and a little one on the bottom, and then the larger one I just popped beneath the photo. I like creating these little repetitive elements at the top and the bottom, and it just kind of frames everything in nicely and creates flow. For my journaling, I'm going to use a couple of stamps from the Crafty Friends stamp set, and for my title I'm going to use one of the larger ones which says you you add creativity to my life. And I'm going to cut this out, so really cut around it so that I can pop it on the flower, but at the same time it doesn't cover up the flower too much. There you have it. The layout is almost complete. If you've got any questions or comments, just pop them in the comment section. And for more information and to take part in our giveaway, please visit the Altenew Scrapbook blog. You can find the link below in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me. Happy scrapping, and I'll see you very soon with another layout or card for Altenew. Bye-bye.